SeaTrippin friends, it's Kim and Scott here, and today we're going to talk about some things that are prohibited on the cruise ships.
That's right. There's some things that you just can't bring with you on your cruise.
That's right, so hang on and we'll get started right after this. Okay, now some of these are going to seem pretty obvious, but you know there are going to be people out there who are still going to try to bring some of these items on board.
Yep, these are taken directly off the cruise line's website as prohibited items. Now, if you found anything in this video useful, please like and subscribe and share with your friends.
That's right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's get started with number one, and that is going to be weapons. No weapons are allowed on board the cruise ships. Obviously, that's guns, knives, anything sharp like scissors, even mace. If it resembles anything that could be a weapon, just leave it at home.
All right, number two, any kind of illegal drugs, whether it's CBD, whether it's medical marijuana, hookah, anything like that, can't bring it on board.
All right, number three is going to be explosives and fireworks. They don't want you to bring any type of fireworks or anything explosive on board.
Number four is compressed gas, whether it's tanks, bottles, or aerosol cans.
That's right. Now, however, you are allowed to bring your personal grooming products like hairspray and things like that. And if you are on medical oxygen, you can bring your tanks. Just go to guest services. They want you to bring them there so they can just store them in a safe area. All right. Moving right along, number five is going to be any type of electrical item with a heating element built inside. Now that's like your clothes irons, your clothes steamers, heating pads, anything like that. And of course, guys, you can't bring your toasters and your coffee makers. So sorry.
Number six, no open flames, whether it's candles, whether it's incense, but you can bring your lighters for personal smoking.
Yeah.
They just can't be those novelty types that look like a gun or flamethrower or something like that.
Yeah, nothing like that. Okay, number seven is surge protectors. Now, you can bring a regular extension cord for your CPAP and things like that, but just don't let it have a surge protector built in because they will confiscate it.
Yep, number eight, anything like a laser pointer, radio communication device, something like that. You can't bring those on the ship.
Definitely not. All right, number nine is handcuffs or any other restraining devices. Sorry, y'all are just going to have to get a little more creative in your cabins.
Number 10, you can't bring any kind of large coolers with you. They can be smaller ones, 12 by 12 by 12 are okay.
Yeah. All right, number 11 is going to be any large radios or boom boxes. Can't bring them on board. They don't want you to disturb everybody else in your area with your loud music.
Number 12, you cannot bring surfboards, boats, large inflatables, anything like that on the cruise.
No.
You can bring stuff like snorkel gear, little flotation device, but those are only for excursions. Can't use those in the pool on board.
That's right. They have to be stored inside your cabin until it's time for your excursion. Okay, number 13, helium balloons. No helium balloons are allowed on board.
All right, we're going to remind you to please thumbs up and subscribe for us. Number 14 was any food. It can only be prepackaged and unopened items.
That is right. All right, number 15, hard liquor or beer is not allowed on board. However, you can bring one bottle of champagne or wine per adult as long as it doesn't go over the 750 milliliters. And you can also bring non-alcoholic beverages on board as long as they're not in bottles and you have 12-ounce containers like cans or cartons like that.
Yep. And now number 16, you can't bring skateboards, hoverboards, or heelys. Those little shoes with the wheels and the heels, those you cannot bring on board.
Correct. All right, number 17, baby monitors. No baby monitors are allowed on the ship.
Number 18, you can't bring any of those fish you caught on your excursions back on board. If it's anything, you got to ship them back home.
That's right. Okay, number 19, flowers and plants are not allowed on board. However, you can get flowers and plants if they are ordered specifically through your cruise line.
Yep. Number 20, no animals on board. only registered service animals. No kitty cats. All right, number 12. Oh, Jesus.
Why are you doing it?
All right, number 12 is any kind of flotation.
I thought we were still...
Number 14 is food. You can only bring unopened and unpackaged in. Number 12.
It's annoying. Okay, there you go, guys. I hope you weren't thinking of bringing any of these prohibited items on your next cruise, but we hope you found some of this information helpful.
And if so, please give us a thumbs up and hit the notification bell below so you know the next time we post a video. And make sure, please, hit that subscribe button.
That's right. And don't forget to leave us a comment or two. We really enjoy reading those. And so, until next time, guys, have fun and be safe. Bye!
Bye!